So hi guys, and welcome back to class. And in this lesson we're going to be touching a little bit of topic on how to manage cache and preview files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what does it take to manage and preview files or your cache in Adobe Premiere Pro? Well, one of the things Premiere Pro does is actually to help you enhance your workflow. And in the process of enhancing this workflow, videos that you have edited over time tend to create some sort of files that make Premiere Pro run faster and smoother. They don't create it when you see them, they create them in the background and it gets saved. So many a times these files could be as low as 2 kilobytes, sometimes bytes, and they go as high as 10 MB, 15 MB, but they are accumulated over time, and sometimes you need to actually optimize space. So you need some of these things to leave your workspace in Premiere. I don't know if you get my point. So managing cache just helps you know what Premiere Pro has taken so far and how you can shed off some weight when you are done with some projects that you do not need again. And mind you, when you delete these files, many a times they do not actually affect your progress in Adobe Premiere Pro while you are working. So if you like to manage these files, or if you like to know where these files are located, one of the things you do is come right to Premiere Pro and you come to the settings and you click on general. So on general you have a wide range of settings and you want to go down to media cache, and in media cache you can see or know where these files are located, and you can change a little bit of settings in this in all this. So mine is located in users./davidokoigbe/library/application support/adobe/common. So when I click on my finder in Mac and I go down to library, so I want to locate my library, and under library I want to locate application support. So I can just use the spotlight search and click application support. So when I click on application support, I double click again to actually take me to where I would be landing, and under application support I should see Adobe and common. So instead of Adobe I'm seeing cache, but many of these files seem to be hidden. But what you can actually now really do is, okay, we're in the wrong part. We're actually in the wrong part. So when I go to library, I have to go down to application support. So I have to look for application support. Okay, there we go, application support. Then we go to the next one, which is Adobe. So we look for Adobe. Guess this should come at the beginning here. There we have it. We have Adobe. Then we look for common, the folder called common, and in folder called common we can see we have media cache files and we also have media cache. So two of them are quite significant, and you see how many files has been accumulated over time. And if you would like to delete this, many a times it's just easier to delete from Premiere Pro itself. So when I click back on Premiere Pro, you can see how this option says delete media cache, which is not harmful, and sometimes it says do not delete media cache automatically. So it says automatically delete cache files older than 90 days. You could set yours to 30 days or 15 days depending on what project you are working on, like I said. Then automatically delete oldest cache with cache when cache exceeds 22 gig. So yours could be 1 gig, yours could be 5 gig, whichever one you want to set it to. So I guess that's it for previewing files, and bye for now, and see you in the next class.